Growing up, we always had big cars. V8 engines, a lot of power, a lot of speed, and there was always a pickup truck around. Like most Americans in recent years, I had to have an SUV. But when I saw the hybrid, I realized I could save a lot of money in gas. The hybrid car is a combination of a gas engine car and an electric car. When you need to go fast, the gas engine kicks in, but when you're going slow, the electric motors add power. And when I'm braking, the car uses that energy to recharge the batteries. My car is rated as a ULEV, an ultra-low emission vehicle. The state of Virginia allows me to use the HOV lanes, which gets me to where I want to go much quicker. I routinely go over 1,000 miles on a tank of gas in my hybrid.